welcome back to Mommy and Us, and today we are going to be making edible Starburst slime. So we have this big old fat bowl. We have red, orange, yellow, and pink.
Yep, and so pretty much we're using the classics.
Oopsies.
We opened it, the classic Starburst.
And we have these type
All right, so all you need to make this edible Starburst slime is the Starburst and some
powdered sugar.
powdered sugar. Yep, I actually, Nala been wanting to make slime forever, and I actually, excuse you, actually got this video idea from Kaylin and Kyra from the Edwards family, and I was like, this is dope. We could do this easy ingredients. So you ready to get to it?
Yes.
Yeah, y'all see Nalani back there. Say hey. Nalani, say hi. She said hi. She busy eating her cheese, y'all. That's fine. So we about to sit here real quick, guys, and we're gonna unwrap all these and put them in the. Wait, so we are gonna do multiple colors?
Yeah. Oh, this is so bright. The yellow's so bright. Look. So pretty.
I love Starburst, y'all. All right, guys. So we already go ahead. Tell them what we did and what we're doing now.
We unraveled all of the candy. So now I'm about to put these in now.
Wait, let's get the here. Give me the spatula. Let's get the butter. Just kind of all over the place.
And then let's pour this right in. Right, Mom?
Yeah, stick this over there.
The reason why we're using butter is because we don't want the Starburst, or you can say candy, to stick to the pan because these are some sticky candies. Oh!
Uh-oh. That might not be exactly how we want it, Nala.
No, we have to put it with what is it called? Powdered sugar. Oh, look
Okay,
at
guys,
that.
look at our Starburst. Guys, this is what it looks like right now. All right, right now, Nyla is about to pour the powdered sugar into the bowl. Oh, don't dump it. Because what we're gonna do is let it coat the Starburst. Look at our Starburst, guys.
It actually doesn't look bad.
It doesn't.
Kind of look like
I'm gonna use the corner of the spatula to kind of help. Oh my gosh, guys, look at it. All right, guys, we know you can't see our faces, but right now we're just pouring. It already looks slimy, right?
Yeah, actually does.
Look at that. Oh my gosh.
Well, can I do it?
Yeah. Oh, wait. I'm gonna put a little bit more powder, guys.
Oh yeah, put a lot more.
All right, there you go. Now try to mix it.
Okay. I'm excited to try this out.
God, we're so excited right now. Can you guys see what's going on in the bowl?
Alright, so this is what we're working with. This is actually kind of good. I'm gonna mix this good. I'm gonna try.
Hold on, Nala.
Mommy! Ah! It's hot!
That's what you get for trying to be fast.
Oh yeah, you cutting that up?
Nope.
Some of it, y'all, this smart one decided to stick her hand down in it all fast, and now she done burned herself.
It's burning hot. We need to put some ice in this thing.
Some what?
Ice.
Y'all, she's yo, let me, oh my gosh, that was funny.
I want to mix it up.
Hold on. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just because it don't need to be sticky. It just needs to be gooey.
I dare you to touch it.
I ain't touching it right now.
It's burning hot.
Y'all, I'm not over here hurting my child. That's what happened when your kids try to be
You
fast,
can't
not
lick it.
listening to you.
But
You think we could touch with our hands now?
No.
We're gonna have to at some point.
is it hot?
Yeah, but it's not like
Let me mix it up.
it's not like what just happened to you. It is hot though. No more powdered sugar though. Just gotta keep. Well, it's just that I don't want to be all powder.
Yeah.
Now I said, ooh! Yeah.
We do good slime.
It is still really hot, but we might have made our first good slime. But we do need to let this cool.
You put it in the freezer for a little bit.
Freezer?
Put it in the fridge so it could like cool down. Cool down.
Did we make our first slime?
Yes.
Out.
This is a W.
Kinda, except for Nala's hand. Let me see your hand. Yo, I'm sorry. If I keep laughing randomly, it's because I just keep picturing her. You gonna listen to me from now on? Look at our slime. How cool. You wanna play with it?
Is it hot?
Yeah.
I don't want to play.
It's not. It's hot, but if you just keep going like this, one hand at a time, it'll feel better. It's not like when it burns you. You weren't expecting that. Right now you're expecting it, so it's fine. It's hot when you spread it, so just... Y'all, she's so nervous to even play with it right now that you're gonna drop it on the floor and then you're not gonna be able to taste it. Show them how slimy it is.
I'm not.
You want me to do it? Alright guys, so we finished with our slime. We have made our first successful slime, guys.
I wanna bite it.
That's pretty dope. Bite it.
Wait, can I bite it?
Bite it. Yummy.
It's hot, but it's so good.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching us make our slime, our edible slime. This was actually really good. It turned out really great.
That is so good.
Nyla likes it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this slime video. We were successful. We are so happy.
Guys, please give us 1,003,300 likes.
Please.
And click the notification bell.
You gotta subscribe first.
And first subscribe and then click the notification bell.
We'll see you
Next time we make a video.
Yep. Peace.